Look, freedom is sold as this shiny ideal. Do whatever you want, break all the rules. But the second you try to live like that, you realize it's a lie. The old systems you hate, they aren't just there for fun. They're the invisible chains that keep society from collapsing. But here's the brutal truth. Those chains also strangle you. They squeeze because they were never built for your kind of freedom, the kind where you call the shots without begging for permission. You're stuck because everything around you screams, play by the rules, and if you don't, they pull you back harder than before. You're sitting there, feeling trapped by systems that are supposed to protect you, but actually keep you small. Bureaucracy, outdated hierarchies, inherited roles, they're not just annoying, they kill ambition. They turn wild, hungry minds into obedient cogs. And the worst part? Society praises that mediocrity. It throws out rewards for conformity and punishes disruption. You're angry because you see your potential wasted, your vision crushed, your fire snuffed out by how things are done. Every meeting, every email, every best practice is another nail in your freedom's coffin. It's maddening. But here's what nobody tells you. Absolute freedom doesn't mean trashing the past without a plan. If you just reject everything blindly, you're not free. You're lost. Chaos is not freedom. Freedom is having the power to choose what you keep and what you burn. You have to be strategic. Tear down what suffocates creativity and rebuild systems that serve growth, not comfort. That's how real freedom starts, by hacking the old to create the new, not by running away from it. So stop wasting energy hating the old. Instead, master it. Learn the rules just enough so you can break or bend them when it counts. Don't reject every system. Identify which ones actually protect your freedom and which ones are toxically holding you back. Be ruthless and clear. Kill what wastes your time or energy. Invest in what multiplies your influence and power. Build small, resilient networks of people who get it. Not the many, but the few who match your ambition and mindset. That's your true leverage. And here's something people don't say enough. Your freedom depends on connection, not isolation. You want to be absolutely free? You have to rebuild how you relate to the world. Toss out the tribal nonsense, nationalism, old loyalty to places or titles. None of that defines you. You are not a product of your passport or your job title. Your identity is in your direction, your ideas, your relentless will to create something new. Build a global mindset. Operate without borders. Use the systems of capitalism, technology, and markets not to sustain what already is, but to fund what's never been done before. Turn every old structure you can't escape into a launch pad. Here's the deal. Absolute freedom demands brutal honesty with yourself. You have to admit where you're still caught in old thinking, where you cling to safety, fear, or comfort disguised as freedom. Then, you get ruthless about changing that. Every rule you accept without questioning dilutes your power. Every inherited idea you swallow softens your edge. You want freedom? Own every part of your life. Pick your values, pick your battles, and don't wait for anyone's approval. Build your own system, based on real results, not traditions. If you want to be free, start by rejecting the illusion that freedom means no limits. Real freedom means choosing your limits, your structures, your tribe, your values, on your own damn terms. Tear down nothing blindly. Build everything intentionally. That's the path from frustration to power, from noise to clarity. That's how you move from stuck in old worlds to owning a new one you've actually made. So, stop whining. Stop waiting. Rip the old apart, but only to build something years ahead of its time. That's freedom worth fighting for. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit the featured link to discover more.